Hello everyone. In this lecture I am going to teach you the online simulator. How to simulate a circuit, any circuit in online mode. So by using online circuit simulator, you can simulate the circuit, any circuit in the electrical or electronic circuit. So the website name is called fallstat.com/circuit. So this website looks like in this image. This simulator is very useful for the beginners and this is the simplest one. And one more important point is completely free and no need to register any account. Okay, and one of the advantage is it is an open source platform. So you can solve any circuit in this simulator. Now we will move on to the website. So it can open in any browser. Now type the website address falstat.com/circuit. So the website opens like this. If you want to open it in full screen mode, then you can click in the below full screen version. So this is the example circuit. Okay, now you can remove the circuit by clicking the mouse and select all the components. Now press the delete button, then you can delete the circuit. Now I want to draw a simple circuit, that is half-wave rectifier. So half-wave rectifier consists a diode, a source, AC source and one load. Now see here in the draw, now click on the draw icon. Now see here there is a wire, resistor, passive components, input sources, output labels, some active components. Like that many components are there in this simulator. So it is very easy to the students and also some of the research scholars. This is very best simulator for the students. You can solve any laboratory circuit in this simulator. Now I want to add a diode. Just search here. Diode is a active component. So now check it in the active components, add diode. Now I want to add input source. So that is in sources, input sources, voltage source DC or AC. I need AC voltage source. Okay. Now I want to add a resistor for load. Add resistor R. Okay. Now I want to connect the components with a wire. Now go to the draw and add wire. Now click on the nodes to draw a wire. Now connect the components like a circuit. See here, it is when the circuit is closed, then the circuit will simulate or run. If you want to stop this circuit, then see here in the right side, run or stop. Click on the stop. So this is a circuit. If you want to change the values, okay, then go to the draw. See here in the last one, select or drag. So the shortcut is space button. So now go to the AC source. So I want to change the frequency 50 Hz. I want to change the voltage 100 volts. Then apply and OK. Okay, I want to change the resistor also. So this could be 100. Okay, 1000 ohms or 1K. Now I want to run the circuit. Run. Then circuit will be runs. I want to check the waveform of the output, I mean resistor output. You will go to the resistor icon and click on the right click and view in scope. Click on the view in scope. See here in the scope, you can see the waveform of voltage. So these are the voltage and current waveforms. So if you want to note down the values of the current and voltage passing through the resistor, in the right side you can check. So this is the resistor in the right side. So when you go to the resistor, then it will shows the voltage difference and resistor value, power dissipating in the resistor, and current flowing through the resistor. Okay, if you want the full details in this session, it will shows the values of the element. Okay, it is continuously running. If you want to see the current speed, then you can reduce or increase. Okay, like this, or simulation speed, right? You can stop the circuit at any time, and you can reset the complete data also. Okay, this is the half wave rectifier. Okay, if you want to draw a simple series resistive circuit, Ohm's law circuit, then, and one more important point, see here in the circuits option, there are many circuits are already designed in this website. Ohm's law circuit, resistors, capacitors, inductors, RLC, and AC circuits also. Okay, passive filters, other passive circuits, series, parallel of inductors, capacitors, diode circuits. Okay, in this resistor, see here there is a half wave rectifier also. Okay, before going to design, there is a half wave rectifier. Okay, this is already designed circuit, but it is looks like a our circuit. Now I will move to the full wave rectifier. See here 4 diodes are connected in bridge circuit. Now this is a full wave rectifier without filter capacitor. If you want to run the circuit, then click on the run. Then it will show the waveforms like voltage and current waveforms. Okay. If you want to check the waveform settings, then please click on the gear icon. Then it will shows the options. Okay, this will shows the voltage and current of AC source, and this is the output. Okay, it is very easy and convenient for the students, and it is the best simulator, and it no need to register or no need to pay any amount. Without any amount, it is a free simulator. Okay, the link of the website is given in the description. You can click on the link and you can solve the any circuit or simulate the circuit in this simulator. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next class.